Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the alternative to the FlightRadar24 and what you can actually expect out of it. So the first one is FlightAware. Now the FlightAware, it provides flight tracking information notifications of private and commercial flights as well as airport activity. And this is the first one that you can actually check for yourself and also see some interesting things here. So the cons, some advanced features and real-time data are locked behind the paywall. Limited free features. Free users have access to limited features compared to what is available with the premium subscription. And some military private flights are blocked. So that's for this. Now another one, SB Exchange. This is like another one that you can also check out. So this is also interesting one only because it's open source flight. Okay, wait a second. I just need to cancel these. It's an open source flight tracking platform known for providing unfiltered crowdsourced real-time data. So this is also very interesting one. It shows rich, fancy people's planes and military traffic. Also, the interface is bad and it's annoying ads. So this is as you can see, it's just a lot of ads. But still, this side is also cool. Right? And this is the one that's dude, look at how many flies there are right now. So that's for that. Then also another one is Open Sky Network. This is another one that you can check out for yourself. So this one right here, 100% free, non-profit organization, great for researchers and academics, historical data access, open data policy. It's not good and poorly designed. It cannot see entire world map, only fixed. Interface less user-friendly. And another one, the last one that I want to share with you is a flight air map. So you can also check this one right here. Yeah, I want to click on that. Let's go here on the GitHub. It's a free and open source, self-hostable, can track aircraft and ships. But as you can see, it requires technical setup and it builds many years ago. So hope this video helped you a little bit and have a great day and goodbye.